Rushmores are pleased to offer this Mercedes 350 SL auto convertible, 3.5 litre, 315 brake horsepower. It's finished in a metallic black with dark grey black interior trim, the full leather interior, and it's got the white stitching around the seats as well. Now the good thing with this car is one previous owner from new. The last owner's had it from December 2012, so it's good long ownership. It does come with a very comprehensive service history as well. So the service history is all Mercedes. I've got all the invoices and the printouts from Mercedes. So the Mercedes services are as follows. I've rounded the numbers up. 3,900, 7,900, 11,900, 21,000, 31,100, 35,600 and 39,800. They're all carried out by a Mercedes-BENZ dealer. Current mileage on the car is 40,512. So excellent service history, all with Mercedes. Now, before the vehicle comes on display at Rushmore's, we do fully prepare the car as well. So it does undergo a full mechanical inspection and a full service prior to the vehicle going on display. We also do a full detailing program, so anything untoward on the car, be it curved alloys or scuffed bumpers, we do put right before the vehicle goes on display. So the car is offered in excellent condition and obviously is fully checked over mechanically, so excellent condition in and out and mechanical as well. Now we also can do a detailed video of this car for you. So if you are looking for an up close and personal video and you're not local to us, then we can arrange to do a full detailed video basically showing all the panels, all the service history under the bonnet, all the leather, etc. So a full detailed video generally lasts about 15 minutes and we can send it over to you. We're finding a lot of our customers now do want to buy from the comfort of their own home rather than coming down to visit us in the showroom. So if this is an avenue you want to take, then by all means just give us a call at the office and we will organise this for you. Now, also worth mentioning, we do have very strong reviews across several platforms, so all our customers do talk about us highly and would certainly recommend. So I would ask you just have a look at our reviews online, just to give you the extra confidence that buying from us would be the right thing to do, and certainly won't have any issues if there is any problems moving down the line with the car. So great reviews, and so if you do want a personal video, then just let us know and we can organise that for you. We can arrange a part exchange on this car and we can also arrange finance. So if you are looking for an idea of part exchange value or you want an idea of a tailor-made finance quote for you, we can arrange that. Low rate finance, no deposit. Again, just give us a call at the office and we'll be able to organise that for you. So that's 0208 314 1020. Great spec on this car as well. So you've got the all-important headscarf. It's got the sport pack as well, which is the extra body styling. It's got the electric memory heated seats. It's got sat nav, folding mirrors, obviously full leather trim. As I say, it's got the white stitching on the seat and the dashboard, and you've got the bigger AMG alloys as well. The car is also backed with a RAC warranty and an RAC breakdown cover for 12 months. So just to recap then, this car is a full Mercedes-Benz service history. Only one previous owner has been fully checked over by Rushmore's, fully detailed, so there's nothing untoward on the car. The car is offered in excellent condition and is also backed with an RAC warranty and 12 months RAC breakdown cover. So if you are potentially looking for a Mercedes 350, then this is potentially the next car for you. This car generally will not disappoint. So if you're local and you want to come down, we do advise calling ahead just to make sure the vehicle is still available. If you're not local but you're still interested in looking at the car in more detail, then just give us a call through and we'd be more than happy to do an up close and personal video for you, which in turn will help you make the decision from the comfort of your own home or office. So as I say, I can't tell you anymore how clean this car is. This is definitely a standout car and it will not disappoint. As you'll be able to see from the video, it has also benefited from a full valet as well, and it's even got the carpet mats in the front as well there for you. So yeah, just to recap, one previous owner, full Mercedes service history, back with an RAC warranty with an excellent specification. So this is potentially the car for you. Give us a call at the office, 0208 314 1020, and we hope to see you soon. Thanks ever so much. Bye.